biology was quite good and it was easy. All NCERT, nothing so hard. Chemistry was also okay, but I find a bit, physics to be a bit tricky. And I could do it, but not so well. If I just consider biology, it was most of it was from NCERT, very less from here and there. Then physics, it was all conceptual, and you had to apply more rather than just look at the question and mark the answer. There were some questions where you need to calculate, some were conceptual, so it was okay, but it could have been more better for me.
फिजिक्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज ये मेडिकल एग्जाम है, तो बच्चे जो है बायोलॉजी एंड केमिस्ट्री पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, फिजिक्स उतना नहीं होता, और फिजिक्स के भी मार्क्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, तो वो डिफरेंस कर सकते हैं, इस वजह से फिजिक्स भी।
बट मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन बायो से आते हैं, एंड देन केमिस्ट्री एंड देन फिजिक्स।
Somewhere I feel it could have been half an hour more, or questions would have been easy. It would have been good for me.
अंडर कंट्रोल ही था बिकॉज 20 क्वेश्चन तो पहले ही उन लोगों ने रिड्यूस कर दिया था, क्योंकि पहले तो 200 क्वेश्चन आते थे, तो अब 180 क्वेश्चन हैं, तो टाइम भी इनफ था और मतलब ठीक था सब कुछ।
No, we don't get a rough sheet. We just get this much paper and we have to do the entire thing in this. Medicine is something where if you give 24 hours, even that is less. But I tried my best, putting hours, increasing my hours day by day. Yeah, I would wake up at 6. Then for up to 12 I would study. Then I would take one or 2 hours break. Then again till 7 I would study. Then I would take 1 hour break for some time. Then again I would study, and half an hour break for lunch, dinner, and this would all make it approximately 14 or 13 hours. Focus was NCERT. Then for physics and chemistry, I paid more importance to Akash notes. I was not able to prepare botany and zoology that very much from their notes. I concentrated entirely on NCERT, and it was quite good. Work hard, put your maximum, and it's the only thing that help you.
दिन रात एक कर दो पढ़ने में, जब पास हो सकते हैं अच्छे से।